Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fundamental Bull Portfolio Analysis. As you know, we started our journey last week with portfolio of 10 stocks, and let's see what happened to those 10 stocks during this week. First on our list is CDSL. There was not major news in this particular counter, and the price closed bit lower to the last price, and the price for the current market price for this week was 518 rupees and 79 paise. Moving to our next stock, DELTACORP, there was a news that they got an approval from Goa Investment Board and for setting up this integrated resort in Parnem, Goa, that includes an electronic casino, water park, and a convention center. So this bit contribute to the increase of the price, and Delta Corp ended the week with certain high value, that is 162.69 paise. Moving to our next stock, Abbott India. The parent company of Abbott India in the US won authorization for rapid COVID test. That will add, my friends, little bit to their revenue. So if you see the cost for this particular test is $25, and they have now got authorization in US to start doing this test. So that would help company to gain more profit. The current market price for this particular counter, Abbott India, was 16,178, which is slight increase to our last market price. Moving to the next stock, Berger Paint. Here management was seen giving interview to one of the leading channel, and they said that the interior paint demand has picked up. So paint what you use at your home, in the shops, in the malls. They said that it is improving now after the COVID-19 situation, and people are buying their products. They also said that their express painting app has also increased. The usage of that app has increased in the major big cities like Mumbai and Delhi. This led to the increase of the share price, and the share ended this week at 710 rupees 55 paisa. Let's move to our next stock, Britannia. There was a tussle or rumor in the market that Britannia Industries has filed two cases in Delhi High Court against the rival ITC for their infringement into the product packaging trademark using the similar design. This showed a little bit effect on ITC share as well, but both of the share ended this week bit lower, which is 3,720. So not major drop, but at least it ended lower. Let's move to our next stock. WABAG there was no major news this week on this stock. However, price ended slightly up above since last week, and we saw 6 rupees, approximately 6 rupees increase in the price. So it closed at around 205 INR. There was a lot of news in Union Bank of India though. The state-owned Union Bank of India on Tuesday said that it has raised 500 crore debt capital by issuing Basel III compliant bonds. There was also a news that Dynacon Systems and Solution Limited have got orders from Union Bank of India. So probably they would be spending some amount of money and buying some system from this company. The CEO and MD of Union Bank of India, Raj Kiran Rai, said that the corporate credit will pick up by March end, and it will be a very good number. So kind of an indication that here the prices of the bank may pick up going forward. And at the moment, if we see the price this week still drop to 31 and 10, because this whole sector, public sector banks are beaten down sector, and nobody is really interested in buying them. But I found that they are a bit cheap at the moment, and we don't know. In future, people may start building interest in this sector, and the price may increase. And also, S&P, the global rating, has affirmed that Union Bank of India credit rating at BB plus stable level. And also the stable credit profile has been revised from BB minus, and bank senior unsecured notes reformed at BB plus. So maybe a bit of a high point from this side as well. So maybe, who knows, that in future the price will increase. But I'm positive on public sector banks at the moment. There was another news in ITC stock that ABB has completed a large-scale remote commissioning of winder drives, upgrading and commissioning of PM5 installation. PM5 is paper machine 5 installations as ITC paperboard and specialty paper division milk in South Central India, which means that the production with these machines will now start soon, and this particular factory will start adding to the top line and the bottom line of the company. And as we discussed in slide of Britannia, Britannia has filed 2 cases against the ITC, and which is bit positive for Britannia, but then it's bit negative for ITC. However, the price still dropped a couple of rupees, and the ITC share price ended at 214 rupees and 50 paisa. There was no major news in REC, and the share price ended at 137.75 rupees. Then there was no major news in Agrotech Food Limited, but however our stock price saw a major uptick, and the week ended was at 845. I am also very bullish on this sector because this company makes this Agro corn popcorns, and that's like their star product when it comes to market in different geographies across India, and people buy the ATFL popcorns every now and then, so it does impact. So as I said earlier also, that buy the stock where you really understand the business of the company, and always consult your financial advisor if you are in doubt. That was how all the stocks behaved this week, and if we summarize, this is how our stock behaved on week basis. CDSL was down close to 1%, DELTACORP was up around 4%, Abbott India 0.5%, Berger Paints another 4%, Britannia down 0.33%, WABAG up around 3.5 or close to 3%. This was a major dragger in our portfolio, down 6%. However, I am quite bullish on public sector bank. If you have let's say patience to hold on to this stock, consult to your financial advisor, and please take an advice if you would like to buy this. Then if you see, ITC was also down 1%, and REC was up 1.25%. And then the major contributor to our portfolio was ATFL, which was up 7.5%. So overall, our portfolios, the sample portfolio, grew around 1.26%, which is not bad according to the market condition. The total profit, if we would have invested in this particular order in this much quantity, our total profit this week would have been 1317 rupees. 70 rupees. So that was how our portfolio, that was the status of our portfolio this week. And if you like this video, do give a thumbs up. Please share your comments in the comment section. How should I improve? And please also, if you would like to see or want to hear all the updates from our channel, please think of subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.